right, everybody, we are here at 21411 Civic Center Drive in Southfield, Michigan, and we got a vintage Dover. Check this out. Dover black button. Oh, I always love finding these. All right, let's ride it. Ooh, red for up. Typically it's green for up. Oh, you gotta be kidding. I'm glad the elevator's original, but I hate this. Absolutely hate that. Get your Dover black button down. Let's see if we can get it to light up when I push it when the door closes. It's also red. Okay, we're gonna go down to 1. We're at the first floor. Let's see if door close does anything. I doubt it. Door close in this case on this elevator is technically a placebo. And the reason I say it's a placebo is because this elevator is on its original controller, and the original elevator never had a door close button, so this functions as nothing. But you push the 4 button, that will close the door. That away. I'm going to push the button so we can get a nice picture of that. There's the machine room. Ooh. Very nice. All right. Well, that will be it.